What is your edge among other applicants? The most skill I have beyond my experience is being able to communicate. If I can communicate immediately, then all my experience isn't worth anything. To be brief, I'm more analytical than the norm. I like to find causes and most effective ways to produce result with that knowledge. My intellectual and career diversity, that is to say, I have advanced degree and have performed many diverse jobs through these years. When I read your mission statement, I was energized by its positive values and I want to be part of the growth of your organization. I can do multitasking. This question entails that I can compare myself with people I don't know, which would seem to presumption whichever way we look at it. This is why I would rather mention all the things I can offer to the company than try belittle the abilities. The skills what not of the others applicant. Then I would go on enumerating the skills I have that would benefit the company without putting down anyone. I am ambitious and takes its challenge. I can work in busy environment. I can adapt very quickly. I am more serious in getting this job and working in this field such is an honor. I am driven and determined to do my best in my job. My edge from other applicants are competencies and skills relevant to his job and my willingness to work under any kind of pressure. I am a fast learner and I can provide solutions based on my past experience. Thank you.